My hand is getting a little cold, a little numb, but like in a very playful way. Like, hey there. It's not like yelling at me like, oh my god, I'm freezing. It's kind of like, dude, not good. Come on. You said you're gonna get gloves fucking months ago. You know, that kind of shit. Ooh, traffic is moving on BQE. What are the chances? What are the chances? So, how's everybody doing on this gorgeous day? And I started this little gas tank question thing, and a lot of people are sending me questions and stuff like that, which is awesome. Much appreciated. Thank you so very much. Really appreciate you taking the time to comment. My bike is just backfiring. God damn. Yes. Oh. Backfire not. Fucking sweet as fuck. Yes. Yes. Doing a buck. Who gives a fuck? And here we are. Here we are. For the rest of the fucking ride. Traffic life. Yes. Can't complain. No complaining from this fucking side of the palace. And that's the gas station I'm gonna go to. With any luck. If I make it there. But yeah, see, I'm glad I didn't go that way. That would have been a bitch. This person doesn't even fucking want to go with the traffic, but he also is very special. My hand is getting a little cold, a little numb, but like in a very playful way. Like, hey there. It's not like yelling at me like, oh my god, I'm freezing. It's kind of like, dude, not good. Come on. You said you're gonna get gloves fucking months ago. You know, that kind of shit. Am I like mad at my hand for being cold? Am I gonna call my hand a pussy? Nah, my hand is not a pussy, it's just cold. Nothing wrong with my hand. You're a fucking pussy, you know? Don't call my hand a pussy. I'm joking, of course. This is, of course, like a playful, artistic dialogue I'm having with you guys. Obviously, neither you or your hand are pussies. You guys are very strong, very masculine, man or woman, depending on who is viewing this vlog in this instance. Anywho, I would just like to take this moment to thank the motovlogging community for finally accepting me as one of your own. I know it took like forever, but now I'm here and I'm here to stay, and my fucking jeans are cutting into my dick. That's a problem with hipster jeans, is that they're fucking tight as shit. Like, my butt looks really good, my thighs are like super slim, you know, like I'm looking good, but the balls are like, dude, come on. Anyway, after I visit my buddy over here for a little bit, say hello to his baby, his newborn baby, I gonna get gas. And then you see that road on the other side, all that fucking traffic. Yep, that's my way back. It's only getting worse. After 5 o'clock, it's fucking shit buckets. Look at this fucking crap. But at least I got a super bright headlight. Like, look, you can actually see my headlight. Look at that shit. Can you believe that shit? Look at how bright my headlight is. It's ridiculous. Fucking, it's pointing up a little bit. But look at that sign. It's bright as like as my future. So I don't know if this people is turning or not. Probably not. Guessing not. Not a bad little scooter. Not a bad little scoot. What's that sound? Huh. Weird. What is that noise? Huh. Okay. That was a weird noise. Don't know what that was all about. Literally, my bike was making like a weird, like, clicking noise. Still might be. Don't know. Weird. I heard some strange noise coming from my bike, but no, I'm not exactly sure. But look, see? Whoa. You lean it and it turns on differently. It's pretty crazy, this light. Look how bright it is. Nuts. I'm trying to ride with my helmet open so I can hear the noise my bike was possibly making, but it's fucking freezing. Can't do it. Come on, Grandpa. Let's cruise. Let's dance and boogie. What is that fucking noise? What is going on? I have no idea. Sweet turn signal, you piece of shit. Here we are, here we go. Gotta park this moto, yo. Look at this guy, he's just not about that fucking turn signal life. I mean, look at that fucking troll sticker he's got. Problem? What a douchebag. Oh, he's got a blinker on now. Good, good, good. Maybe he's not a full douchebag, he's just like half douchebag. But that is pretty funny. He's got that stupid troll face sticker. Haha. Haha. Yep. It's cold. It's dark. Da 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 da. I'm just gonna park right over here, right next to this bike. It's totally fine. There we go. There we are.